Hello, welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to make stir-fried string bean with prawn. And a lot of ingredient. Consider it's hot. And the ingredient today we use first chili paste, onion, garlic, small red chili, dry red chili, prawns, and string bean. And this one already we going to taste it. I show you later. But we have to grind all these four first and stir fry with this one. Okay. Now we're ready to grind it.
How are you gonna grind it?
Yeah, use the mortar stone. Yeah, but we slide this one into small pieces. Yeah, that's it, and then grind. Okay, dry chili we soak in the water about 10-15 minutes. Make it soft, easy to grind. Right? Okay, now we're going to grind it. Okay, we cut the onion into small pieces. Okay, first we put chili in the mortar. Yeah, we grind this one first.
What do you use, about 15 chilies?
Yeah, about depend on how you can handle hot. We use about 10, and this one we prepare we use 10. You can have less or more. And the shallot we put 2 big pieces, and this one about 10 cloves of garlic. Okay, yeah, now like this, and then you put how many you want?
Go for it.
Oh,
Go for
okay,
it.
yeah, I put 12. Drop one. Okay, less a little bit hot. Okay, then we put garlic and onion together. And then 2 teaspoons of the chili paste. Okay, we're nearly there. Last we put the black pepper. Yeah, but I don't have a whole black pepper. I use coarse black pepper to grind together. Yeah, just about a pinch of a teaspoon. Because this one I roast first.
Oh.
Okay, done. Happy Monday.
Oh, finish, yeah?
Okay.
Oh, very quick. Okay.
Yeah, this is the finish for
nice.
chili paste for string bean.
ใช่ you เก่งนะ you บอก you ทำอาหารเก่ง
Okay, we start to cook now. Okay, we boil. We use the 100 gram of string bean. Yeah, to boil it with the boil water only 1 minute. Yeah, you take it out, put in the cold water. Why we boil string bean? Because easy to cook and it make it crunchy. Okay, and then put in the cold water. When the if you don't put in the cold water, it's soft.
No, but why you boil it first?
Why
To
boil
make
it
the
first?
cooking time quicker?
Yeah, make easy to cook and crunchy. Now we start to fry the chili paste we make. We put the cooking oil. Then we put the chili in here.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, we fry until you with low gas until you can smell. First you smell shrimp paste first, and then you smell garlic and chili. Really nice smell. Okay, you can see the color change, and you can smell the the paste. We put the water in the mortar. we use the water, we wash the mortar in here, and then put a bit of water. You can smell. Okay, and then we have prawn. You can use as much as you like. You 250 grams of prawn, or you can put more or less. And then you put 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, then half tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and last you put the string bean. If you think it's too dry, you add a little bit of water. Let me taste first. A little bit of sugar. Quite hot.น่ากินมากเลย A little bit of fish sauce. Oh, very nice, hot and nice. Okay, and you see, very easy to cook. Stir-fry string beans with prawn and chili is ready. Yeah, we're ready to serve. And then we top with the sliced sweet red chili. Make it look nicer.
Hi, so we're here, and so we're gonna try this stink bean pad prik, or in Thai it's called stir pad prik. Well, yeah, pretty much. So stir fry with chili. So stir pad prik. So yeah, these are stink beans. These are so good for you, and they are really stinky, and they're gonna give you crazy breath for a bit, but they're really good for you. They're highly nutritious and they taste great. So let's get stuck in. Don't be worried about the amount of oil you're seeing on the plate here. That's just in the cooking process to really cook the paste, release all those flavors. So you just don't eat the oil, yeah. Wow. Oh, this is not for the faint-hearted. You got a lot of strong flavors going on here. We've got a lot of chili. That's really good. Really good. Whew. Last few weeks, Chef 2 has been kicking my ass with the chili. So give this one a go. The sting bean you should be able to get in any good Asian supermarket. So yeah, give it a go and let us know how you get on. And we'll see you again next time. Take care now. Bye.